Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, the 6th of February, 2021, and I'm at a place called Colossal Caves Mountain Park, which is near Vail, Arizona. I was looking at trail forks, and this area is a riding area. The Arizona Trail actually goes right through here, and there was a little camping icon on it. So I looked it up, and here it is. It's $7.50 a night. There's water, there's toilets, there's picnic tables, grill, flat pads for your tent. The road getting here it doesn't look bad right here, but it went through a couple of washes where, RVs couldn't make it down here, which is great. I'm not even sure some of those Sprinter vans would make it down here, maybe. But I passed one at the beginning of this road. I'm at the end pretty much, but at the beginning of the road there was one truck with a pull-along trailer camped here, and that's it. And it's Saturday. I would think on a weekend that this place would have some people, and it's absolutely gorgeous right now. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's probably mid to high 60s. I think it's supposed to be in the mid 70s today here. So far I'm super stoked that I've stumbled upon this place. But the Arizona Trail goes right through here, so there is a ride, and I've got a little bit of bike maintenance to do real quick, and then I'm going to change clothes and go for a ride. So yeah, let's check it out. So we are at the Arizona Trailhead. It's to the campsite. Cool little trail sign there. I think it's supposed to be like a 1,200-foot climb right out of the gate, but let's see about that. And it looks like it's right. We just started climbing. Just like that, it opened up. Sure, there's still some climbing to do, but the desert just opened up. It's been a while since I've been hanging out in the saguaro. Not any saguaro down in the Chiricahua, which I just left. Look at that, barrel cactus, prickly pear, saguaro. Desert. This is cowboy country. Cowboys are asked not to shoot up the town. Newspaper headline during Tucson Rodeo Festival 1925. Blowing off steam with a Colt revolver and a bottle of rot-gut whiskey was an antidote for a life of grueling solitary work, dawn to dusk in rugged country and oppressive heat. Cowboys, spouses, and families relied on desert grasses and range to maintain their cattle herd. I haven't been on Arizona single track for... Ooh, cut that close. 2 years. 2 years. Great mountain biking down here. Beautiful landscape, as you can see. I love those things. So much better than gates. This trail is super turny, curvy. I feel like if I was doing the AZT as a through hike, I don't know how I'd feel about it, because it's stuffing a whole lot of trail in a, well, it doesn't need to be this curvy for the through hike. It's great for mountain biking and it's fun, but you're not getting from point A to point B very efficiently if you were to be through hiking this section. But it's a great trail. Not a ton of room for error, but certainly not as bad as, say, the picket posts section, which is north of here, out by Apache Junction. Done that section, and man, not a lot of room for error there, and it is a lot of walking and pushing and squeezing through cactus, but this is quite pleasant for sure. Africanized honeybees are found here. Keep a safe distance from bee colony and swarms. Snakes. Jeez. All right. Let's continue on. I'm at the Loma Alta trailhead, and that pretty much says it all. That's a no-go. National Park Service boundary. Bikes in jail. No bikes in the national park here. So this little section behind me, I guess, is state park land, wilderness on both sides, and then here down the fence line is your national park that we're in here, which would be Saguaro National Park East District, I believe. So anyway, it was about 11 miles to here, so just turn around and head back to camp. I love this on the gate. That's cool. I like that a lot. All right, we're gonna turn around and head back. that's it for today's ride. Let's see, it was like 22 miles and 1,500 feet of climbing. Super pleasant ride. But I got back here to the campground here at Colossal Cave, and I'm fully expecting there to be campers. I mean, it is a Saturday night, but there's just one gentleman over there in a little Volkswagen van camper conversion. Name's Rand from Colorado. He stopped me and chatted me up a little bit about the trails, but I may speak to him after a while. Somebody to talk to tonight. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit and make some dinner and call it a night. Great ride. Recommend it. Recommend this campsite too so far. They do lock the gates at I think 5:30 or something like that. They lock you in, and you are locked in until 8 a.m. But that's fine because I got no place to go. So anyway, it's time to clean up and make some dinner. I enjoyed my stay at Colossal Cave Mountain Park. Good camping, good ride, having the Arizona Trail go right through there. But I have reservations at Catalina State Park, which is just north of Tucson. So I'm moving north. Stay tuned for that episode, which will be coming up next. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.